Hello, hello, and welcome to my channel. I am so grateful that you clicked on this just to watch this video. This video is just about what I ate, just to help me to maintain a healthy weight and even to lose weight. So, before we get into it, just say please like, subscribe, and share, and then tell me what types of videos that you would like me to cover on this channel. Thank you very much. Now, without further ado, so the first thing I do when I wake up in the morning is I have a glass of water, and this really helps me, get my system going. Next, I have a glass of kefir. Kefir is like a fermented yogurt drink. It's a bit tart, but it's really good. I must say that this has really been helpful and very instrumental to my weight loss. I get this brand from a local Polish shop. I get it for like £1.20 for this 1 kilo bottle. Although you can get kefir in your local stores like Sainsbury's, Asda, just look at the yogurt aisle. You'd get kefir, but believe me, it is really very good. So in the morning, what do I have for breakfast? I have oats. We all know that oats is really very healthy. It keeps you full for a long time. So this is really very good. So this brand I just get is from Sainsbury's, a Scottish porridge oats. And what I do is when I make it, I add a tablespoon of some organic coconut oil. And I also add a few blueberries. These are it's just a pack of frozen blueberries that I got from Asda. So I just tossed them in just to make it more healthy and just to enrich it. Later on in the day, maybe around 11 a.m. or so, I would have this. This is a smoothie. It's made of some baby spinach, some bananas, some apples, some lemons. I would leave the link of my smoothie recipe, but it's really very good. I noticed that when I have this, my skin is plumber. I just have a lovely color, and my skin, the elasticity of my skin is really great, and it really helps me. Apart from that, yes, as I said, I also have some bananas and some apples. Also, I also have oranges every day. They're really very cool, and also it helps to support your immune system. So this is really what I have every morning. This is like my morning routine, and it has really helped me. Really helped me. So I hope you have found this helpful, and please leave a comment if you have any questions or anything like that. Please leave a comment below. I'll get back to you. Also, I'll also leave a link to the smoothie recipe that I use, and it's very quick, very easy. It's especially for people that really, some people really don't like, the green smoothies and things like that, but this one is really very good, very tasty, and it's not bitter or anything like that, and very healthy. Well, thank you very much. Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate you. And yes, till I see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Cheers. Bye.